Hi, I'm Devin here at Glazer's Camera, and with me is the newly announced Fujifilm 50mm F1. Now, this will be a first look unboxing, and let's see what's inside. As per usual, you do get a soft pouch for the lens, and some warranty numbers for you to call if there is an issue. And then the bad boy himself. Looks like we do have a lens fit included. Lens fit included. And the rather hefty lens itself. So with a minimum aperture of f1, this would be a great addition to the arsenal of portrait photographers or anybody who just really likes to shoot in low light situations. But with such a shallow depth of field, focus is going to have to be very important, whether it be manual focus or some advanced autofocus systems in some of the newer Fujifilm cameras. So this is what it looks like with the hood attached. And let's see it on a body, actually. I have with me here the Fujifilm X-T4. Make sure you line up your dots correctly. And this is a weather-resistant lens, so on a weather-resistant body like the X-T4, this is a combo that can go with you in almost all weather conditions. Personally, I'm really excited for this lens, so let's go outside and take some shots. Well, there you have it, the Fujifilm 50mm F1. It was a blast to shoot with, and you can check glazerscamera.com or call us for availability of this lens.